Hollow tree, can you be my wife? Oh. Oh. But isn't it a little bit strange to ask your mom to be your wife? Actually, maybe that's normal. Maybe kids, do ask their mothers if they can marry them one day. No, isn't that something that kids do? I don't mean it like that. I mean like very young kids, you know? No? Yeah, like little kids, like little babies. Just in anime? Don't they say like, oh, one day I'm gonna marry you, mama or papa? And then mama says, oh sweetheart, I can't marry you. I'm your mama. But don't worry, I'll take good care of you until you find the one who's just right for you. So that's what I'll say too. Oh my dear sapling. You can't marry your own mama. But don't worry, because I'll take good care of you until you find someone who's just perfect for you. Yabe, yabe. What? Have I just watched too much anime? I swear this is what happens in anime. But I am anime. I am anime. No, you're thinking of wrong anime. This is what happens. I say something and I think that I say so, and then Chad is like, yeah, bet, and then I get nervous, and then I am backpedaling. This is getting clipped. Don't misunderstand me. Don't misunderstand me. Ah. Anyway. No, 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 no.